In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add and organize tasks in Asana. Start by opening Google Chrome and heading to asana.com. This takes you straight to the Asana homepage where you can easily access your work. Log into your account using your usual credentials so you land on your workspace. If you use Asana often, consider bookmarking the site in Chrome so you can get back here even faster next time. Once you're in, navigate to the project where you want to build your task list. A project is simply a focused space for a specific initiative, client, or content calendar. If you don't have a project yet, create a new one so you have a dedicated place to keep everything related to this work in one view. A clear project name helps you and your team instantly recognize what belongs there. Now let's add tasks quickly. Click the plus add task button to add your first task. As soon as it appears, give it a clear, action-oriented title so it's easy to recognize later. To move fast, you can click plus add task repeatedly to keep stacking new tasks or use a quicker rhythm. After you create a task, press enter to jump right into a new one. This is the fastest way to capture a full list without breaking your flow. Keep your titles short and consistent so scanning them later is effortless. If you need to create a series of similar tasks, like a batch of items that follow the same structure, use duplication instead of starting from scratch. Right-click an existing task and select duplicate. This instantly gives you a copy you can tweak. Update the wording to fit the new item and keep the structure that already works. It's especially helpful for recurring content, repeatable checklists, or multi-part deliverables that share the same format. If you're a content creator, think about organizing your tasks by content type or by deadlines to keep your workflow streamlined. Group related items together conceptually, like blog posts, videos, or social posts, so you can batch similar work. When deadlines drive your week, focus your list around what's due soonest so you always know what deserves your attention first. Clear, consistent naming makes both approaches easier, and it helps you spot patterns at a glance. That's it. Open Chrome and go to Asana, log in, head to your project or create one, add tasks quickly with the button or the enter key, and speed up repetitive work by duplicating tasks. With these simple techniques, you'll build clean task lists faster and keep your work organized without extra effort.